Hey, I'm Akhil. I'm your counselor and coach for data science at Board Infinity. Let's get together and learn math, programming, business understanding, predictive analytics, and so much more. Today, we're going to talk about how to start a career in data science in 2021. I'm going to tell you 6 things that you need to do to start a career in data science in 2021. Number 1 on the list is polish up on your math skills. What do I mean when I say math skills? Pick up your math textbooks from 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. Go through concepts in statistics, linear algebra, transformation, regression analysis, statistical modeling, and also Bayesian way of solving problems. Statistics is to data science as to what math is to science. So the number 1 skill that you need to have is thorough understanding of statistical basic concepts. The second item on this list is picking up a programming language, not just one, I would say 2 or 3. What programming languages, you ask? General purpose programming languages like Python, which is used absolutely everywhere these days, right? It's used for web development, but it's also used for running statistical packages. Second on the list is learning R. R for me is a mathematically sound language where you have different libraries to run different algorithms, but also can do data wrangling and different, you can build dashboards on R. Third on this list is learning SQL. SQL is structured query language. Why is SQL important? SQL is important to just extract the data and also transform the data to make sense out of it. The most important thing in this list is picking up and solving a few problems. There are different publicly available data sets where you can go ahead, extract the data and solve the problems. Kaggle, for example, is a wonderful platform where you can also not just solve problems, but if you're good at it, you can also win some prize money. And also please do remember, when you're solving problems, make sure that you have somewhere to store these codes, to store these presentations that you have done. Probably have a GitHub account. The fourth on this list is to develop an analytical mindset. What do I mean when I say an analytical mindset? Is the power of being inquisitive and curious. Any good data scientist is always inquisitive. He's always curious. Why would I say this? Because if you don't know what you're going to solve, if you're not asking the right questions, which is the first step that you need to solve a data science problem and be in the data science space, you're not going to be successful. Having an analytical mindset is as important as having the hard skills of Python, R or SQL. More often than not, recruiters, when they're looking for different skills, are also looking for an analytical mindset skill. That's the most important thing that you can bring to a table. What do I mean when I say that? They're looking at the approach you take to solve a problem. Be it on a case study, you're trying to find how to improve conversion rates. You keep asking, why would I want to improve conversion rates? If you find something going up or down, then ask yourself, why is it going up or down? Rest assured, if you're asking the right whys, you will end up at the right solution after probably 4 or 5 whys. The fifth on this list is, I've seen a lot of people doing the data analyst path before being a data scientist. What do I mean when I say this? I mean that if there's any opportunity to do any internship, please go ahead and do it. That will just give you an experience of the data science domain. A lot of people have become data scientists after being data analysts. The average work experience of a data scientist in the industry is around 8 years. So just imagine, not everyone becomes a data scientist as in their first job. It might be their second job. It might be after 3 or 4 years of experience. So don't get bogged down if you're not going to become a data scientist. But if you can become, let's say, a data analyst, then that's also fine. The last point is just be honest to yourself. The more you're honest to yourself, the more you say you don't know, you will learn more. And this is especially important in data science because it's a vast field, and especially important if you're just starting because you're not expected to know a lot of things, right? So it works in your favor if you say you don't know and then you want to learn more about it. But make sure that you start somewhere. So these are the top things that you need to do to become a data scientist in 2021. Let me just recap it for you. 1. Polish up on your math skills. 2. Pick a programming language or 2 along with any data visualization tools. 3. Solve a few problems. 4. Develop an analytical mindset. And 5th, just be honest to yourself.